Hello and welcome to my channel. Today what we're going to talk about is I'm going to give you some ideas on self-affirmations. I got several emails about this, so I'm going to give you some ideas of them. Self-affirmation is something that you believe in, that you have power in, that you have faith in with yourself. So for example, I am capable of achieving my goals and my dreams. I embrace my unique qualities and celebrate my individuality. I am worthy of love, respect, and kindness. I trust in my abilities to make confident decisions. I'm resilient and can overcome any challenge that comes in my path. I choose to focus on positives in my life and let go of negativity. I'm constantly growing and improving, and I'm proud of my progress. I deserve happiness and fulfillment in all areas of my life. I am in control of my thoughts and choose to think positively. I am grateful for the abundance of my life that I often and open to receiving them. I am very good looking. I smile good. I have faith in myself. I can overcome any challenge. I am positive. I am optimistic. I am energetic. I am humble. I am kind. So anything that you believe about yourself that you want to heighten that power within you about who you are and what you have to offer, then you speak that. And don't let self-doubt get in the way, because self-doubt, if you have self-doubt, it's going to stop some of your affirmations from coming through. So for example, if you feel that let's say, I'm going to give you some examples here. So let's say that you're overweight. Okay, you think that you're overweight, hypothetically speaking. I'm just using this as an analogy. It's going to be hard for you to say that I am in shape, because you already have that self-doubt in your mind that you're not in shape. So when you're thinking and coming up with these self-affirmations, you have to remove self-doubt from your mind, because self-doubt is all in your head. And if you remove it from your mind, it opens you up to be more affirmative on your affirmations. I am good at riding a bike. I will go viral with my videos. I am going to be one of the top motivational influencers on the marketplace. I am going to pack out a coliseum, and people will listen to me. I am going to touch people's lives. So this is my affirmations of myself and what I'm going to be doing to inspire, motivate, and help other people out there. So one of the biggest things when you're putting these self-affirmations in place, get rid of self-doubt. Another thing that I would encourage you to do is do it in front of a mirror. Looking at yourself in the eyes, you cannot lie to yourself. So look yourself in the eyes and say, I am a leader. I am capable of doing whatever it is that I want to do. I have very good communication skills. I am a good business owner. I am a good father. I am a good spouse or partner. I am a good child or son to my parents. I am a good sibling. So reconfirm the affirmations about what you believe in your power within. And this is going to help you. It's going to help you really grow mentally. It's going to overcome all the negative aspects or things that are thrown at you. It's going to give you a sense of clarity and enlightenment as well. So I encourage you to do the affirmations every single day. And yeah, if you have to, do it, like the Nikola Tesla, 369. So, 3 times in the morning, 6 times at lunchtime, and 9 times in the afternoon. And just keep giving yourself these affirmations, and you'll be amazed on what you're going to be able to do and what you're going to be able to achieve moving forward in life. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.